This is the second presentation for Unit 1 Programming. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will cover a brief explanation and overview of Visual Studio Code, the IDE, delve into the debugging process, explore debugging features in the development environment, and examine how these tools play the role to creating a secure and robust application for Team Liberated. These are the topics I will be going over, such as introduction, Studio Code, the challenges of the code, Python as a programming language, debugging, and the features and more. This project involved developing a comprehensive training management application for Team Liberated. The application was designed to handle various tasks, including managing training data, plans, names, days they want to train, calculating fees, and providing total fees for the user and their competitions. Objectives of the project, our primary objective was to create and deliver a robust and user-friendly solution that not only met but exceeded Team Liberated requirements. Team Liberated also needed it to be accurate in its cost calculations and provide reliable data for athletes, and it was a key priority throughout the entire development process. Visual Studio Code is a popular integrated development environment that supports a wide range of programming languages such as Python, C#, and C++. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including a powerful code editor with features like syntax, highlighting, code completion, and integrated version control. We chose VS Code for its robust. It also has built-in robust debugging features and seamless integration with Python, which was crucial for developing this application. The IDE is lightweight and customizable in nature, so it is an excellent choice as well. During the development for Team Liberated, we faced several challenges, including handling different training plans, user input validation, debugging logical errors, user feedback, and more. The initial code couldn't adapt to various plans. We solved this by creating functions to manage and add more of the plans. This added multipliers for different subscription periods as well. User input validation checks were implemented to ensure that valid information was added so that people can't accidentally type that there are 2,000 kilograms or 2 kilograms. We also debugged logical errors. We used the built-in Visual Studio Code because while we were making the checks, there were a few problems with the check code, so we had to fix that. User feedback, we adjusted validation, enhancing its reliability. We used the user feedback that we got to ensure accurate competition category recommendations. Python was chosen for this project due to its readability, simplicity, powerful libraries. Python also has a clear syntax, which makes it an ideal language for both development and debugging. Python supports various programming paradigms, which gave us flexibility in our approach to solving problems for Team Liberated. Additionally, Python's rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks enabled us to implement and debug features efficiently. For debugging, Python has built-in tools and tools you can download, but we leveraged the downloaded or integrated one because it was sufficient. Debugging is the process of identifying and analyzing and fixing bugs in the software. The process typically involves 3 stages: error detection, where we identify it, error diagnosis, where we analyze the root cause, and then finally error correction, where we fix the problem and its root cause. Debugging is essential for ensuring software functions correctly and efficiently, which was especially important for Team Liberated solution. By thoroughly debugging our code, we ensured our application met the necessary requirements. Visual Studio Code provides powerful debugging features such as breakpoints, which allows the pause code execution at any specific line enabling us to inspect the application state and behavior at critical points, step over and step into. Features allow us to navigate through the code, allowing us to skip over or delve into functions to isolate debugging issues. Watch variables that us monitor variables and values in real time, which is crucial for understanding data changes and tracking down issues. The call stack is another debugging feature which displays the sequence of function calls leading to the current execution point, helping us trace the flow of the program. Exception handling and VS Code captures the runtime exceptions, allowing us to understand and address unexpected errors effectively. Debugging is not just about fixing bugs, it's also about enhancing security through its robustness of the software. Through debugging, we can identify potential security vulnerabilities such as unhandled exceptions or data validation issues. This helps in applying secure coding practices and protecting the application from attacks. Debugging also aids in robustness by creating error-resilient code and optimizing performance for the team at Goodbye. Our thorough debugging process ensures that the application was secure. In conclusion, this presentation has highlighted the critical role of Visual Studio Code's debugging features, the role it played in development. We also delved into the exact debugging process, and as we move forward, it's essential to remember that debugging is not a one-time task but an ongoing process. Thank you for your time and attention today.
Yes.